How to log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone, if you open the Messenger application here, let's say, and then you tap the three lines option and then you go to the gear icon, here you can see there is no sort of options to log out, but you can still log out if you scroll down and go to this option here that says Account Center and tap on See More in Account Center button. When you go to See More in Account Center, here you can see this option called Password and Security. Tap on Password and Security. Under Password and Security, you'll find the option called Where You Are Logged In. Tap on Where You Are Logged In and then select your Facebook account from here, and here you'll be able to see a list of devices where your Messenger account is logged in. All you have to do is just select your current device, which is your iPhone over here, which will be at the top. So you can just select this option and then just tap on this little option here that says log out, and then once you log out of all this, then you'll be able to log out. Or you can select devices to log out here, and then you can just select all the devices and then tap on log out, and then you'll be successfully logged out of these devices. This way you can log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.